In order to add an event to calendar on Motorola Signature, what you can do is you can use the calendar app that you can probably find in the Google folder. In my case, it is over here in the app drawer, of course. Once you go over here, you can use this plus button in the bottom right corner and then choose event. Now over here we can set up the name of the event. You can also choose if the event should last the whole day or it should start and end at a given time. The time can be adjusted over here, and of course here on the left side we can also choose the date when it starts and when it ends quite easily. We can also choose the time zone in case that is relevant. We can also choose if the event is repeatable, if it should repeat every now and then. Also, we can include people in that event. We can add video conferencing. We can also choose a location. We can also manage notifications, so you can choose when you want to be notified about the upcoming event. You can of course add multiple notifications. We can also add description, change the color, and attach Google Drive attachments. And once you are done with all your the whole event, I mean, once you set it up and everything, you should be able to tap on the save in the upper right corner, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.